And again, welcome, Mr. Mos'ab.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so again, who is Mos'ab?
Okay, so Mus'ab is a 17-year-old teenager. Just turned 17 last month.
Mhm,
I study in grade 11
mhm,
in Prince Mukran bin Abdulaziz High School.
mhm.
I do live here nearby in Al Faisaliya, so every now and then I come here to the institute.
Great, mashallah, tabarakallah. And today, inshallah, we'll be talking about two major topics: mathematics and also time management.
Yeah.
What is math?
Okay, so
Oh, before that, why people hate math?
I believe the biggest reason of that is that math is often represented in a wrong way, and it's just presented as something to memorize rather than to understand and see how the mechanics behind it. And I believe the curriculums, most of the curriculums we do study today, they don't encourage thinking in mathematics as much. And this is a problem because mathematics is all about thinking, about analyzing as well. And if you ask me, I would define mathematics as the art of patterns. So as you see,
Again, art of
patterns.
okay.
Why? So as you see now, we have our common counting system is the decimal system from 0 to 9, and it repeats itself. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and you start again from 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 from 0 again.
Okay, amazing.
So also in nature, subhanallah, we have got a lot of patterns as well. So if you see the shape of lightning at night, or the shape of reverse delta, or the shape of blood vessels, they have similar shapes in some way. Also, mathematics has lots of branches. We got geometry, algebra, linear algebra. Uh, Also, we got trigonometry and a lot of stuff too. So, mathematics is found in every single major
You
scientific
said
field.
mathematics is a science of patterns,
Yeah, is the art of
of
patterns.
art of patterns, and
Yes.
also we studied that science is a repeated patterns. Is it's really close to this. Like for example, repeated patterns is science, and you said mathematics is art of patterns. So that means science is mathematics.
Yes, basically. Even in we find mathematics a lot in chemistry, in physics, in biology. Actually, why mathematics is helpful and useful in these fields because well, we do have physics' own theories, biology's own theories, chemistry theories, but what makes them practical and useful into our daily life is mathematics. So, for example, if we want to in chemistry, if you want to make something or we want to make a solution, for example, we don't know the chemical reactions, how they work. We don't know the materials we need. We know the elements and their uniqueness. But what mathematics does here is that it tells you in the language of number exactly how much you need from each element to make this thing work.
Okay, who created math?
So this is actually in itself is a very controversial question because now the most controversial thing in math community is was math invented or discovered? Because we do find math in nature, but at the same time, there are some people who had their own theories and participated or took part in developing mathematics. So it is really hard to say whether it is even discovered or invented.
Okay, let's talk about the branches. You said we got algebra and also what?
Algebra, geometry, trigonometry.
Okay, briefly, can you briefly explain each one of them
So
in one application?
okay, so algebra is actually the art of dealing with numbers and equations. You see, we in our daily life, the applications are like when we count taxes, when we count prices, when we count inflation. These are some few examples of how we use algebra in everyday life. So subtraction, multiplication, division, all of these things come under the category of algebra.
Also, money distribution. You can use.
Of course, money. Also, we got geometry as well, which are the shapes around us, and how beautifully this table is designed. It has actually rectangular faces. The floor has square tiles, and if you see the floor, even the floor is a repeated pattern of square tiles. So geometry is all about shapes, their areas which can be useful in engineering, when building houses or designing rooms or something like that. I believe if anybody wants to buy a new painting, of course he would check its measures, or a new bed or a new wardrobe. Of course, measures are important, and so is geometry.
Okay, so how to become so good in math? And also, I remember, people say, especially Tony Robbins, he got a very good book about this. He said, if you want to learn something deeply, you have to go through these three things: pattern recognition. So you have to recognize the patterns first, and then use the patterns, and then create your own patterns.
I believe, first of all, we have to fix the common stereotype about mathematics by giving it a chance, and also learning it in a new way, because if you go learning it by the old way, you won't benefit much. Maybe your stereotype even becomes worse. So I believe if you want to get better at mathematics, you have to look at it differently. You have to, instead of memorizing things, you have to look how they work and where they are used in everyday life.
And this is pattern recognition.
Yes, pattern recognition. You will find that things in math are very, very related, even if they are in different branches, because that's how it works.
Amazing. Okay, how to manage your time?
Okay, so time management. When we talk about equality in life, every single human on earth has got 24 hours, no more, no less. So what makes people different, I believe, is how they manage their time. Time is something that we can't compensate, we can't buy, of course. And a lot of us has regrets, and we wish if we could go back in time to do things a little bit differently. So first of all, I believe we have to be conscious about why time is important, the importance of time. So secondly, why do we manage our time in the first place? So our life is short, and time is running quickly, out of hand. Minutes, hours, days pass. And I believe in, also in Islamic belief, on the day of judgment, we are asked two questions about time. Yeah, about our youth, especially because in youth we got the most abilities.
You can say it in Arabic and then explain it.
في نسأل في يوم القيامة سؤالين عن الوقت، خصوصا أحدهما عن الشباب، لأنه الشباب هو ذروة الإنسان، وفيه يستطيع أن يكتشف نفسه ويطور نفسه بأقصى يعني إمكاناته. So this point is very important actually. And the second thing is we have to recognize that our time is limited. Someday we will pass away. Some people, amazingly, they do actually they do treat their time as if they have infinite time.
Mm.
They always procrastinate. They don't actually do their things on time. They believe that we got more time ahead to do things, and they procrastinate. If these people knew how time is limited and how it goes quickly, they would never procrastinate, and they will appreciate their time more. So knowing the importance of your time, knowing why do we manage our time, and third thing is to make your own plan.
Mhm.
Okay, so each one of us has his own circumstances, characteristics, needs, tasks, and turns in
And
this life.
also, you know, I always remind myself to not wait for things to be so, you know, to deteriorate so badly that someone else must tell you what to do or impose discipline into your life. So don't wait
Yeah,
until
don't
someone
wait.
else tells you you have to do certain things.
Yes, actually, you got to do it by yourself. Actually, don't wait for the opportunities, instead create them.
Yes.
So, yeah, there isn't a specific plan for everybody, but the common thing is, no matter what what you are in life, who are you in life, uh, you got you got to plan your time in a way that benefits you.
Amazing. So if your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's
Yeah,
life.
I believe also, but there are some common things between people, and usually those who don't work at night and they can sleep early. I recommend them to sleep early and even wake with pleasure. Subhanallah, morning time is the best time of the day.
Mm.
So that's why we work in the morning.
وجعلنا
وجعلنا النهار معاشا.
No.
Yes. So I believe if you can wake up early, so that's a golden opportunity for productivity. When you start your day with an achievement, even if it's a little one, it will boost you for the rest of the day.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, mashallah, tabarakallah. Okay, so this is the end of of this
Okay.
great podcast, mashallah, tabarakallah.
Okay, it
And
was
yeah,
my honor to be
yeah,
with you.
amazing, mashallah, tabarakallah.